song about a car, a groovy car, and I'm going to play a whole bunch for you right now. So dig this.
I got a 4 on the floor between the bucket seats. Yeah, I never miss a shift on my baby week. She never gets her hugging as I cruise down the street, and this is what she says too. She says 4 on the floor, no 4 on the floor. Hey, I'm gonna leave 4 on the floor. A 4 on the floor really makes me sore. I'm on the floor, down on the floor. 4 on the floor with a big chrome stick. Well, it turns on the guys, but it bugs my chick. Now I gotta sell it and it makes me sick. And this is what she says to me. She says 4 on the floor, no 4 on the floor. Hey, I'm on the floor, down on the floor. A 4 on the floor, really makes on the floor. I'm on the floor, down on the floor. 4 on the floor with a big chrome stick. Well, it turns on the guys, but it bugs my chick. Now I gotta sell it and it makes me sick. And this is what she says to me. She says 4 on the floor, no 4 on the floor. Hey, I'm gonna leave down on the floor. 4 on the floor really makes me sore. I'm gonna leave now. I sold my stick, I couldn't stand her bugging. I got an automatic just to get some hugging. There's no more dragging but guaranteed loving. Now this is what she says to me. She said, "Get in the center here, watch us go. We're gonna move on out to the driving show. I travel north, maybe travel
Don't
south."
you know they're shutting them down in every town of the USA? Yeah, they're driving old Rudy's up in Salt Lake City. USA. You're stripping them down now, they sure look pretty. USA. You're racing all over, even out on the coast now. Give it a try, you're gonna dig it the most now. Wind it out in old LA now. Shut 'em down in Philly, PA now. Running through to San Francisco Bay now. All around you can hear 'em say, yeah, they're shutting them down in every town of the USA. You're building disc scoops out in North Cincinnati. USA. You're pulling out flatheads and dropping in caddies. USA. You're breaking track records out in Abilene, burning out the corner of New Orleans. Wind it out in old LA now. Shut 'em down in Philly, PA now. Run it through to San Francisco Bay now. All around you can hear 'em say, yeah, they're shutting them down in every town of the USA. Hey everybody, when the weekend comes, hop in your car and make a trophy run. Wind it out in old LA now. Shut it down in Philly, PA now. Run it through to San Francisco Bay now. All around you can hear 'em sing. Yeah, they're shutting them down in every town of the USA. 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 toughest machine in town. Got a 3-window coupe that's short on looks, but she looks real good in the record books. I hold the track record in the quarter mile with a low ET down the asphalt aisle. Beat 'em up, shut 'em down. 3-window coupe, you're the toughest in town. Beat 'em up, shut 'em down now. 3-window coupe, make a trophy run. 3-window coupe, you're the toughest machine in town. Now I know my coupe's not the sharpest around, but everybody knows she's the hottest in town. A high compression head's